Fuck affection, yes I know my love a weapon. And what? I love my life, I know that can change in seconds. And what? Okay buzz, I've been sprinting for my fucking life. I'm not getting tired, I'm just hoping that I do this right.
Hey, what do I have to do to prove to her that I'm the one? Swear to God she got me numb. This girl just shot me with a gun and said to give her all I had. It wasn't much, I'm sorry that I ain't put in that effort. I treated you bad, then she just laughed and reload the mag. Yeah, it's my fault, I can't even be mad. She pointed my head, I wait for the blast. Damn, I ain't dead, in a minute has passed. I open my eyes, see the sun through the glass. And shawty right next to me, tell me that this shit ain't destiny. Yeah, doesn't make sense how affection be hurting me. I guess love just isn't meant for me. Ay, I ain't gon' trip, you ain't catching me, yeah.
Shit too strong in the gas tank. Dancing, dancing, rollies. Dancing, dancing, rollies. That bitch ride with the intake. That hoe flip my work and dip. I know I can't trust that bitch. I'm gon' keep my Louis dip. Nothing's as pretty as bands is. I own everything in your man's crib. I walk like I couldn't be touched. I get obsessed with the working. Mirrors on me, I'm a serpent. I get obsessed with refinement. Mirrors on me, I'm my island. Running with niggas, we dying. Love everybody and quiet. Dick in the pedal, I luck her. I run it, man. I run it, man. Dick in the pedal, I luck her. I run it, man. I run it, man.